Hey guys, Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. It's Day Trade Friday today. Really excited for the day. It looks like we're going to have some volatility. We can make some great day trades here today. We got a couple of things going on. First off, the House Democrats announced a $2.4 trillion spending bill for financial aid during COVID. The Republicans wanted about 2.2 trillion, so I think they're going to meet somewhere in the middle, and we should see something like that get passed next week. So that's really important. We'll be keeping an eye out on that. And as you can see here, SPY, we're still trading between the other yesterday's body here, so still some indecision. We got a doji on the candle right now here, so we'll watch for that. We'll look and see if we can break below that 320 area. We got some puts. Should have some nice profits on that this morning. Top four sectors to watch today for some day trades: healthcare, consumer cyclicals, industrials, and technology. We got a couple upgrades, downgrades today. Carnival Cruise Line was upgraded to $31 from equal weight to overweight. We have Norwegian Cruise Lines. It was upgraded by Barclays from equal weight to overweight, $26 price target. General Mills upgraded by Credit Suisse from neutral to outperform. They raised their price target from $65 to $67. And Rocket Company, RKT, you guys remember we've been trading that. They were upgraded by Susquehanna from negative to neutral, raised the price target to $20. Only one downgrade today, Groupie Gorgie. So I never even heard of that one, to be honest with you. It looks like a penny stock, GGRGF. Anyway, Costco, they raised the price target on Costco from $3.55 to $3.65. I'm going over our daily newsletter. If you guys want to check that out, you could go to our website, BreakingChartAlerts.com. We announce it every day. Rite Aid, they cut the price target for Rite Aid from $18 to $9. They cut it in half, basically. That's ticker symbol RAD. BMO Capital raised Darden Restaurants. You know, Darden Restaurants, they own Olive Garden and those franchises. They raised the price target from 84 to 96, ticker symbol DRI. So we'll be taking a look at that today, seeing what's going on with that. Maybe make a day trade on that or a swing trade. Morgan Stanley cut Kinder Morgan price from 17 to 15. And Wall Street's down about 130 points here in the pre-market hours. So Day Trade Friday today, guys. Really excited. We had a great day yesterday. And please click the thumbs up button on this YouTube channel and subscribe to us to get all of our notifications when we go live and when we post new content. I just posted a great MACD video for you guys yesterday, so go check that out, share it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think, guys. Alrighty, take care. I'll see you in the trade room, and we'll be live in about a half hour here. Take care, guys. God bless. Have a great day and stay safe.